Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your DSTV decoder refuses to boot up, freezes on the loading screen, or just won't turn on at all, don't panic, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that solves this issue in most cases. Stay with me till the end, because the last method is the one that usually gets stubborn decoders working again. Let's start with the most common and most overlooked issue, the power cable. Carefully inspect your cable for cuts, frayed areas, or exposed copper. Even a small tear can stop the decoder from powering up properly. If you notice any damage, replace the cable immediately. Next, make sure your power connection is firm. Sometimes the plug isn't fully seated in the decoder or the wall socket, and that tiny gap is enough to prevent the device from starting. Push both ends in securely until they sit tight. If everything looks fine but the decoder still won't turn on, try swapping the power cable with another one you know works. This helps you confirm whether the original cable is the culprit. Now, let's move to the step that fixes the majority of boot up problems, the power reset. Completely unplug your DSTV decoder from the wall and wait for a couple of minutes. This allows any remaining electrical charge to drain out. After that, plug it back in and try turning it on. A fresh reboot often clears temporary glitches. If your TV screen displays the word code, that means it's time for a manual reset sequence. Press and hold the P plus button on your decoder, then input this sequence. P plus arrow, P plus arrow, P plus. This forces the system to reboot and can kickstart a decoder stuck in a boot loop. But if you've tried all these steps and your decoder still refuses to start, don't worry. At this point, it's best to reach out to DSTV support. Head over to their website, use the live chat box at the bottom right of the page, or give their support line a call. They can run deeper diagnostics or advise if your decoder needs servicing. And that's it. Follow these steps in order, and there's a very good chance your DSTV decoder will be back to life. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and drop a comment telling me which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.